Two hungry predators attack a hippo, climbing up the back and launching a bite to bring down its prey. But their prey isn't really that easy. He tries to escape his predator and dives into the water. These puddles, however, are too small to escape the enemy. The scene is over and it is unknown whether the hippo fled the most brutal and bloodthirsty predators of the African pastures. His two hind legs were broken, so that the hippo could not move. He is only able to sit still under the attack of the lions. The desire to flee from enemies now for Hippo was too difficult. A rather large laceration in the hippo's abdomen. We can see that the tear was big, but the blood stopped flowing from the wound. The hippo may have just experienced a fierce battle to defend their territory against their own kind. And he actually survived, miraculously. We can see that the hind leg of the hippo had a huge tear. This made it very difficult for the hippo to move with our limp feet. It seems that the wound has become infected. And if attacked by predators, it is very difficult to escape. It is hoped that the hippo will soon receive support from medical staff. These two pasturage kings are attacking an immature hippo. The hippo is trying to resist the bloodthirsty predators. He escaped two predators and went after the enemy. Our king is attacking a hippo. There was no longer any resistance. There's nothing we can do. She's done her best already. And now he waits for his death to come upon him. The alliance of female lions is working together to attack an immature hippo. However, perhaps the lionesses did not yet feel hungry. So the attack did not take place decisively. Although he was not yet fully mature, he fought against his enemy. This is the end of the scene. So it is unknown if the hippo could escape the enemy. The hippo has just been under an attack from lions. On his body there are many overlapping lion wounds. These wounds are bleeding. The fishy smell of blood attracted small birds, which appeared numerous on the hippo. Maybe they came here for food. There are worms in the wounds of hippos. These hunters are feeling very hungry. They slowly approached and attacked their prey, hippo. Eating their prey alive is what they are doing. The hippo cried out in pain. Very soon the lions had themselves a nice meal.
I thought that, it's supposed to be on his right shoulder. He wasn't here last night. He's,
a large tear on his shoulder.
We talked about last night.
The hippo would have a long and difficult time healing. What is now needed is to rest and let the birds kill the annoying insects on their skin.
Successful hippo. So he's probably side looking a little bit of discomfort there. And he flicked his tail on, so it was really hard to look at. He was using.
Hippo body appears to have been covered with lion wounds. However, his attacks caused the lions to withdraw. The hippo was attacked by lions while it was traveling alone. She panicked and drove off into the cars of tourists who were on tour.
Who wants to come in front?
The lions attack Hippo with great vigor. A hippo lost her mother and was unlucky that she was attacked by a crocodile. The sadistic underwater predator fearlessly throws Hippo under his strong teeth. The hippo magically escaped the crocodile's teeth. However, its belly is heavily damaged by crocodile attack. It will be difficult for some of these wounds to heal. Many fierce battles had taken place before. Many of the wounds that appeared on Hippo said this. And after all, it survived wonderfully, but it would take quite a while to heal those wounds. The hyenas take advantage of a wounded hippo and launch the attack. Perhaps the wound was rather severe, and Hippo had no resistance. Hungry hyenas constantly release bites on the hippo. The hippo could only lie dormant and cry out in pain. The hippo was devoured by 2 hyenas. He attempted to escape from his predators by running down the water. But these thirsty predators don't let go. They plunged into the water and continued to attack Hippo. He eventually managed to escape. Soaking in a swamp is a way to relieve a pain in the foot. One of its hind legs was broken, and it could only move with the other 3 legs. Life ahead will be difficult for Hippo. A free meal for the hungry lions. It was a hippo's body that died in the river. It is not fresh, but it is a free meal for lions. I was exhausted and unable to move. The hippo is resting next to the water. 2 male lions discovered this and attacked Hippo. With no strength to escape, he was soon defeated by a lion. The professional hunter is slowly launching an attack on Hippo. Jump up and down onto its prey. The hippo knew only pain and quickly became a meal for the lion.
Look, he's going.